Take it easy. You're right on the edge. First one, passenger. Yep. More passenger. More passenger. There you go. All right. Keep coming. Okay, you're right at the end. Go slow. Looks like that driver's rear. Okay, you're starting to come down. Go slow, real slow. You're going to hit your bumper. You're just going to slide right off. You're all the way down on this side. Perfect. You're through.
Right on.
Wait, I think I saw a smile in there. Yep. House. Yep, hold that line. Little driver. Coming up to the edge. You still got that far. Starting to come down. Take it easy. You're right on the edge. You start going passenger. Yep. More passenger.
You might high center on that rock, no?
Yep. More passenger. There you go. All right. So they reposition. Keep coming. Okay, you're right at the end. Go slow. Looks like that driver's rear. Okay, you're starting to come down. Go slow, real slow. You're gonna hit your bumper. You're just gonna slide right off. You're all the way down on this side. Perfect. You're through. Whoa. You have to be thankful you have a soft top. Back out. Okay. Cut my way. Go slow. Keep going. Passenger. Go slow. Go. Yeah, we're going to have to get your tail end farther over. Thankful for a soft top.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. Come a little passenger when you do that. I'm going to go on the other side.
Okay.
Little passenger. There you go.
Oh, he's in the tree.
You're in the same spot again. Yeah, you want to. Yep. You gonna try the bypass? Okay. Straighten up. Because it's not a sharp set. down. Just another inch. You're down. Cut it for a driver. Oh, your bumper off. You went in a new bumper, right?
Yeah, shit.
Fuck. Okay, so you don't have anything going through the bumper, right?
No.
Okay. So, I'll tell you how to put it back on once we're done.
Okay. So just go forward.
Yeah, you might pull the whole thing off. Wait, hold up. Okay, there you go. Yep, now just straighten up and roll through it. Now that we filled in that hole. Turn the wheel straight. Straighten up, turn passenger. Other way, yeah. Yep. Coming down. You're all the way down. Go passenger some. More passenger. Yep, hold that line. Coming up passenger. Yep, keep holding. Little passenger. And keep coming. Now cut driver a little bit more. There you go. Ease it down. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Keep it little. Yep. Okay. Hold up. I can't see where it's. Oh, you're almost all the way down. Just another inch. You're down. Cut it hard, driver.
Oh, his bumper's coming off.
Oh,
You're pulling your bumper off.
you wanted a new bumper, right?
Fuck.
Okay, so you don't have anything going through the bumper, right?
No.
Okay. So, I'll tell you how to put it back on once we're done.
Okay. So just go forward.
Yeah, you might pull the whole thing off. Wait, hold up. Okay, there you go. Yep, now just straighten up and roll through it. Now that we filled in that hole.
Turn your wheel straight.
Straighten up, turn passenger, other
Other way.
Other way.
Yeah.